So sometimes, depending on what kind of wallpaper you have on your Motorola, they can look great without any adjustments, but sometimes the wallpaper might be a little too bright, making it a little distracting when your apps and other elements are hard to see. If that happens, the best option is to simply make your wallpaper a little bit darker. And to do that, you can long press any empty space on your home screen, and then on the bottom, we're going to tap Wallpapers. Then choose which one you want to edit, lock screen on home screen. I'll edit the home screen, for example. And here we're going to tap Add Effects. Then from the effects, we're going to tap Others. And you can either add a blur by using this little slider here, which sometimes helps to see the app icons and widgets a lot better. Or if you just want to make your wallpaper darker, use the brightness option here, and then that little slider here to adjust the brightness. If you slide it to the right, it's going to make it even brighter, and if you slide it to the left, it's going to make it darker. Easy enough, right? When you're happy with your brightness, just tap Set, and then confirm if you want to set this wallpaper with this brightness level just for the home screen, lock screen, or both. I'll do it for both of them, and it's going to save it. And now when I go back, you'll see how my wallpaper is a lot darker, and honestly, a little easier on the eyes. And that's how you make your wallpaper darker on a Motorola phones. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more quick guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.